Welcome to this essential guide on fixing Vitamix error codes. If you've ever seen those mysterious symbols or messages on your Vitamix display, you're about to learn exactly what they mean and how to resolve them. Let's start with one of the most common error messages, the flashing hot indicator. This means your blender's thermal protection system has activated. Don't worry, this is actually a safety feature protecting your motor from overheating. The fix is simple. Unplug your Vitamix and let it cool for 20 to 45 minutes. To prevent this in the future, try blending in smaller batches or adding more liquid to your mixtures. The shut-off air typically appears when your Vitamix has been running too long or is struggling with a too thick mixture. This is different from the overheating message because it's warning you before thermal protection kicks in. Simply turn off the blender, adjust your ingredients by adding more liquid, and restart with a lower speed setting. If you see error on your display, this indicates a general system error. The first step is to perform a reset by unplugging the unit for at least 2 minutes. When you plug it back in, if the error persists, there might be an issue with the control board or motor that requires professional attention. Some newer Vitamix models display error too, which typically means there's a communication error between the motor base and container. First, check if your container is properly seated on the base. Remove it, clean the connection points, and firmly replace it. If this doesn't work, try using a different container to determine if the issue is with the container or the base. The pad error shows up on touchscreen models when there is an issue with the control panel. Sometimes moisture or debris can interfere with the touch sensors. Clean the control panel with a slightly damp cloth, then dry thoroughly. If the error continues, the control panel might need replacement. For Vitamix blenders with wireless connectivity, you might see a flashing Bluetooth symbol. This isn't technically an error, but if it's constant, try resetting the wireless connection by holding the pulse button for 10 seconds. This will clear the current connection and allow you to reconnect through the app. On some models, you might encounter a load error. This happens when the blender detects too much resistance in the container. Usually, this means your mixture is too thick, or you've overloaded the container. Try removing some ingredients or adding more liquid to resolve this issue. Advanced models might show E31 or similar numerical codes. These are diagnostic codes that help identify specific system problems. Generally, these require a full system reset. Unplug the unit for 5 minutes, then plug it back in. If the code returns, note the specific number, as this will help customer service diagnose the exact issue. If you see rapidly flashing lights but no specific error code, this usually indicates a problem with the speed control board. Try the standard reset procedure first. If the lights continue to flash, the speed control module might need professional replacement. Remember, most error codes are your Vitamix's way of protecting itself from damage. Always start with this simple solution, a reset by unplugging for a few minutes. If any error persists after trying these fixes, contact Vitamix support. They have excellent customer service and a great warranty program. Keep in mind that preventing errors is often easier than fixing them. Don't overload your container. Always start on low speed. Use enough liquid in your blends, and avoid running the blender for extended periods without breaks. These simple habits will help keep your Vitamix running smoothly for years to come. Thanks for watching and happy blending.